Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale our second Honda Zoomer 50, this time in white. It's going to be priced at 1850. It's a 2006 bike with only 16,000 miles on her. Condition wise, she's in very nice condition. She's kind of more of a creamy white than anything else. Front tyre is good, as well as front alloy. Some very slight signs of surface rusting here. Front forks in good condition, as well as the front mudguard, no marks on the left hand side of the battery box here. Same with the foot area, some very slight marks here. Seating area, all very nice. Original Honda seat with the Zoomer going down the side. Some slight signs of surface rusting around the kickstart and the main stand, as well as the rear mudguard being in good condition. The right hand side now is in the same kind of condition as well. You still have the kind of some small surface rusting. Front tires good, front fork very good. Mudguard and no real scraping on the battery box itself. You can see some slight one here. The foot covering area is in good condition, as well as the seating area on this left hand side, and the actual Zoomer, orange Zoomer sticker on the side, which is nice. Do have some scrapes on the muffler cover, but that's kind of what it's there for. Very easily replaced, nothing too major. 2 bolts. Rear mudguard as well in good condition. Again, we will be taking €150 deposits on these bikes to secure them before arrival in September. Again, it'll be 1,850 total. 2006 bike with only 16,000 miles on the clock. If you have liked the video, please do like and also comment down below what you think of this bike, as well as subscribing if you haven't already.